Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to study about what is bias in machine learning. So machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that allows the machines to perform the data analysis and make the predictions. So however, if the machine learning models are not accurate, it can make the prediction errors, and these prediction errors are called as the bias and variance. So the main aim of this machine learning is to reduce these errors in order to get the accurate result. So error is nothing but it is the measure of how accurately an algorithm can make the predictions for previously unknown data set, or we can say the testing data set. So majorly there are two types of errors in machine learning. First one is the reducible error, second is the irreducible errors. So reducible errors, these errors can be reduced in order to improve the accuracy of the model, and reducible errors are classified as bias and variance. So what is irreducible errors? So irreducible errors will always remain in the model. The cause of these errors is unknown and they can't be reduced. So now we will see what is bias. So in general, the machine learning model allows the analysis of the data, find the patterns in it and make the predictions. So while training, the model learns about these patterns and applies them on the testing data for the predictions. So while making this prediction, if a difference occurs between the predicted value of the model and the expected value, this difference is called as the bias errors. So it can also be defined as the inability of the machine learning model, such as linear regression, to find the true relationship between the data points. So every algorithm starts with some amount of bias, because the bias occurs from the assumptions that we make. So a model can be either have a low bias or it can have the high bias. So the low bias models makes the fewer assumptions about the form of the target functions. So generally the non-linear algorithms such as decision tree, k-nearest neighbors, support vector machines, all of these non-linear algorithms have the low bias. Now we will see what is high bias models. So high bias models makes the more assumptions and the model becomes unable to capture the important features of the data set. So generally the generally the linear algorithms such as linear regression, logistic regression models have high bias as they are very simple to learn. So the models that have high bias are very simple models and they are unable to capture the important features or underlying features from the data set. So now we will see what are the ways to reduce the high bias. First one, increase the input feature as the model is underfitted. So the model that has high bias are very simple models, so they face the problem of underfitting. So to overcome the problem of underfitting, we need to increase the number of input features. Second, decrease the regularization term. So regularization is used when we need to prevent the model from overfitting. So overfitting, we will see this term in the further videos. So what is overfitting? So till now you just understand that we need to decrease the regularization term when the model is has the high bias. Third, use more complex algorithms such as the polynomial, including some of the polynomial features. So as I've told, the model has model with high bias are very simple models. So to reduce this to reduce their biasness, so we need to use more complex algorithms. So if you want notes related to this topic, the link is in the description box. Thank you.